Hello, guys. We are sorry. We are sorry. Uh, the network na high. Ti mon fan chair. Why? Mon fan chair. Pa. Na your network no. Ti misira wa mon fan chair. We are back. Ti misira wa obaswa. Do me favor and share the video. Share the video. Obaso pe bon modern share video no mama why. Me tag a man for ba ko mi no bi na head and start. To Obaso, you gotta share the video. Then we go. You gotta share the video. Thank you. Me da say what share me na my head makwala. Thank you. You
For sharing video.
your account or mine.
I share yours one now
Why?
for 1 hour.
Can say permanent restricted. Permission.
We share na mommy.
Continue this thing. These people. You obviously for we are welcome back. I'm sorry my network was disturbing me and I have a call. Ntiama say we no catch call. Say Yahuda there, you know the person I am. Mo amuni me ntiama here dem wo ha. But we go deep into knowledge. Na ya kire what people don't know. Na ya den ya kire. Ntina na me kan say mbra so say I be before. Ya be da ya adwe be ye den be ya adwuma. Na ya dwane of religion we Christoni asoro no jaiko, we Gramboni asoro no jaiko. Asoro nyamba ye no na nipa nim papa. Bible ne kwara ne nyamba na nipa nim papa. Enye Bible ne kwara ne be kire ni papa. Enye Yesu nye Kristosum ne be kire ni papa. Tama Kristosum nyamba ye no na ye nim papa. Ye nim papa pa. Dime mo bi nkan che say Yesu niwo, Yesu ngamba ye da bi. Yesu nkora ba ye na ye den ye brand because eye buroni na edi Yesu de ye den ye de brewo. Ti e ka se buroni abeda bibinia. Eye Yesu ni Kristosum no mo de abeda ye. We knew Christ. We were Christ before they brought Jesus. That is the difference the black people must know. What is the difference between Jesus and Christ? We were having Christ before they brought Jesus. We were having the Christ consciousness. Our ancestors, our forefathers were having the Christ consciousness. They were living in the higher way, in the higher dimension, until their slave masters came to Africa, enslaved them, robbed them, stole them, and finally went back. So when the white people, where our colonial masters came here, they took everything away and left only one thing, which is religion. They left religion to you. And the religion is now controlling the black man left and right, up and down, north, south, east, and west. The black man is not capable to use his own brain in the name of religion. The black man doesn't know where he comes from, where he is, and even where he's going. So we've lost. The black man has turned to a turtle without a tortoise, without a shell in the forest. We lost in the forest. We don't know where we come from. We don't know where you are going. So this is the time our ancestors are reigning through us. They say, no, the DNA in us should wake up and tell our people to rise back again, to take what belongs to us. Since we've seen the light, we're going to stand up for our right. Since we've seen the light, we're going to stand up for our right. We'll tell people, let's come back to our consciousness. Let's dig down. Let's dig back to ourselves and know exactly who we are and what we can do for us. Once upon a time, the black land was not poor. Even now, once upon a time, the black man wasn't poor. It was your colonizers. It's the colonization they brought to you from ancient, from the Western. That is why we are in poverty, dying. Africa is dying in poverty. Everywhere you go now, Africa, jaga. You go to Nigeria, basa, busa. Man shot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Look at what is happening in Kenya. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Look at what is happening in Niger. Just because some people stand in the name of our colonial masters and they are now robbing, duping, killing the masses. Now, our colonial masters in Africa now are our politicians, our political leaders, our religious leaders, these Christian and Muslim leaders. Finally, our religious leaders, they are him for the kings, which we believe say once upon a time it was the kings. I am for no show mine, I am for no shake kurono, but and I am for nina Daniel Christopher no mutiti asone them. I am for nina Daniel Grambophone no mutiti mosque. I am for nina Kelemus omo ya nyame for. And then I momo se wanya nyame som no, and then ani paibre. And then I momo se wanya Christo som no, and then ani pewu. And then I momo se wanya Allah, wanya Moses, wanya Islam, wanya Quran. Manya esom papa, esom ya asomdwe, mudi eti no. Afe na nipa ye den ebre. Esom amuti mu a munhu nipa mobo. Esom amudi eti a nipa ho nyam mobo. Se nipa ewu a momfa ho. Se ekombe di nipa na obewu na mo ho betomo a, na mo atom a mo ye okay. Mo ni mo abusiafo didi me na mo ye fe ne se omo kai bre. We ye esom papa. Esom a di odi anim, emfa di odi etire ho. Esom amanya esom a mo ndwen nipa ho. Se ekom di nipa na mo mfa no ho. Nipa ni wu a mo mfa no ho. Nipa na yale a mo mfa no ho. Nipa ni baby da mo mfa no ho. Because se esom a mo di eti no, eye esom papa, eye nkyerɛkyerɛ papa, nka sese musuban na ye den ene daadi. But enam se esom no nya papa nti, ama suban na esom no wo no, eno na mu da na di e de akyerɛ ye both Christians and Muslims. Eye mu na mugugu parliament house wo. Eye nkrambofoni a Kristofo na di o man nanim. Na nso hwe se na o man ye den ye bre. Nkrambofoni a Kristofo na tete ye fa ne se parliament house. Uko parliament house 90 to 95% of parliamentarians, let me say even 100% of them are both Christians and Muslims. But we can't see the impartation of their religion in reality. We can't see. Look at our roads. Look at our hospitals. Look at our school buildings. We don't have jobs. We don't have companies. No factories. We don't have a place to sleep. People are suffering. People are dying in Africa. Africa has turned a land to the white. They turned our land to baller. Every damaged thing. The TV I said they will bring it. Emo I said they will bring it. Also, no Jesus still life. Yes, no Jesus still life. Our forefathers were living life before they say they brought their Jesus. Our forefathers were living better and justice life until they brought their slave Jesus. So I keep telling people, Jesus wasn't crucified. It was the black people who was crucified. The black man was crucified on the cross because after they brought that their crucifixion Jesus, that is where we started suffering. That is where we started everything. That is where we started dying. That is where hunger, famine is killing black people. Ekomu kuyen, ye bre, omudi Yesu bre na ye den Yesu. Enobi aka no say no Jesus still life. Yesu ni wa ye wonkwa. Mimi nji Yesu ndi me wonkwa. Togbe asratete onji Yesu ndi o wonkwa. Abua panda onji Yesu ndi o wonkwa. You can live life without Jesus. Jesus doesn't give life. Jesus rather give death. Jesus gives death. Now, you can see some image on my screen. Let me explain. Share time for people to learn. Time for people to dig for knowledge. Time for people to search for knowledge. Have you ever asked yourself, why do we have crosses in the cemetery and on the churches? Have you ever asked yourself, why do we have crosses in the cemetery and on the churches? Have you ever asked yourself? The commonest place you find this thing is either in the cemetery or in the church. Why? Why do we have crosses on the churches, on the top of the churches? Then we have crosses in the cemetery. People are not ready to learn. But when you give them knowledge, they will insult you because they want to know and see where you are coming from before they will accept what you say. Even if you have money, then you speak nonsense, people will follow you. In Africa, if you don't have money, when you speak sense, nobody will take it. But your friend is saying, in Europe, they don't care your background. Whatever you can come out with your brain, they will grab it and push it. In Africa, they want to see your background before people will listen to you. That is why we have foolish people speaking nonsense and people are following in social media. Have you ever asked yourself, why do we have crosses in the churches and on the cemeteries? No, forget my English. Our bisa won say, "Ade nti na nsamampom cross wo ho, na solar pam cross wo ho." I have my country will say we have 2 dead people. The physical dead people are in the cemetery. So the cross in the cemetery identify the dead people in the cemetery. Then the mental dead people, like Christians in the church, is telling you, be in the church, you have a dead brain. That is where the cross is upon your brain. Cross na yede aso no e kire say wa adwen no agu. Enti ya Christopher moti aso dam no mo nyina mo adwen nye papa mo adwen agu. Enu nti na wokwa aso dam mu a cross si wo. Unim say cross a symbol of death. Cross e ya ufuo dia. Enu nti na obi wu a na ye the cross akosie no cemetery. Enti wo kire say physical body in the cemeteries, mental dead people in the churches. Se wadwin wu ya enka wo enka nkere me say nyame amosom no yente na ase na wote asori dem eboa nyame na ejuma eye wagimi nyame a wo nte na ase yemboa na ejima eye jimie obi bi obeka che o say nyame yente na ase no nipa no wagimi obi o ka che o say nyame yente na ase no na still osom sa nyame no oye jimifo. People who cannot understand God, but they are telling you they are worshiping God are fools. If you tell me we can't understand God, but you are following the God you cannot understand, indirectly, physically, mentally, you are a fool. Why will you follow what you don't understand? Na, minga boy. No, she eche. Mini ola aje. Kwena nabu eche asemu. Wow, people are in a place called church. People are in a group called church. They say they are worshiping a God, serving a God. When you ask them question about their God, they will tell you we don't understand that God, but still these people are following that God blindly. So I call them faithfuls. Faithfuls. F-A is that F-A-I-T-H-A-F-A-O-O-L, faithfuls Christians. I call them faithfuls. They are faithfuls because they are fools to follow a God they can't understand. So we don't know why we have churches, we have crosses in the churches and crosses in the cemetery. But black man don't want to think. Black man don't think. Why do we have crosses in the cemeteries and in the churches? They are telling you we have 2 types of dead people. The physical dead people are in the cemetery, while the mental dead people like Christians are in the church. So the sign of the cross is the sign of death. The symbol is death. That is why they say Jesus came and died and Jesus was hung on a cross. Cross stands for the symbol of death. I am telling you true fact. You insult me, you didn't insult me, I don't care. The only thing I know is to tell you the truth. Yantoaso. The Christian te asoli them na cross was samampom. What te asoli them na cross egu asoli apampam na cross was asoli them wa dwen na ma Jimmy too much. Ma Jimmy dwen na ma Jimmy too much. Wow, ena ba ko nso nie. We ye fan say we a Star of David. Aha. Ba ko nie. Ade 3 we ni nyina enye biblical, enye quranical. Wow, nkrambofo si aso dan a na omo de moon any star e de ato na pampam. Bisankramboni se sa de we wo bai e wo Quran ni mu ana. Bisankramboni se moon na esi mosque na pampam no e wo Quran ni mu ana efiri he. Ye nuanum nkrambofo ye sremo me pato musi aso dan a moon na esi e mosque na pampam no wasrane ne nsoro ma no me pato e wo Quran ni mu ana e wo Quran hefa. Ye padi asua meme de bia minim e wo he efiri hi na besi ye frɛ ne sɛ ebe wura ye som no e ye dan e na moon e ebe ye den embassy ye fa ne say mosque na pampam e wo aya ben ye pese ye kinka na ye de ye hunu. The same thing happened to the Star of David. The Star of David is not biblical. The Star of David enye biblical. The same thing to the cross. Cross no so ye friend say Constantine and also was so that say or kontokwa na ewia pie ye no hu cross eno ne ndewo eno no nde ena Christopher matam cross no ena mudi achi blindedly mudi achi munnim bebi efiri na mudi achi munnim bebi efiri ena mudi achi chese ade munnim hwe ena mudi achi enu ntiro mtim be ka chese o nyame de ye ntena ase ye to aso and the obetin semu yom besho and then make sure sign bi and then me the sign bi be kire sa sign we what a sign we are saying. Do you know why we got this sign in our churches? Do you know why people pray hand folded? Do you know why? People don't want to learn. If you learn and you come back with what you learn, people still want to sabotage you and insult you because they know say you are coming out with the truth. People go to church and submit. This sign began when the colonial masters came to Africa. When they wanted to put chains into our ancestors' hand. Sa sign we time abrofono ba ye no so mo the chain be say na nanom nsa enunie enti ende wo kwa so dem na wo submit say ya that means what submit say chain na ye Bible na nsam na egugu Bible mu ye mfa nhye wo nsam fa nchekere wa adwen. That is the origin of this sign. Senya sema nka ye bisa Nyankopon bibia ye ka ye nsafo a enye buroni na be ka kire bibini se ye bompa ya ye nkata yani. Let's pray, then eyes closed. How can you be closing your eyes? They will tell you because you need to focus. It's a lie. It's a lie. If you know you are focused, you can open your eyes and meditate and pray. Because prayer, we pray to ourselves, we meditate. We don't meditate to any sky daddy. We don't pray to God in the sky. We pray, we talk to ourselves. We talk to our inner. But they told you to fold your hand and talk to your God with eyes closed. Before you open your eyes, your everything, your collection and your tithe is gone. Before you open your eyes, your everything, your tithe and your collection is gone. Me pacho uba so abon na shema me why. Onyam follow me so follow me. Yahuda bin Yesi, Facebook, any Yahuda Quintana, CSF, Facebook, my creative from Utimi Quadriche. YouTube no say Yahuda Quintana, CSF, any CSF Yahuda. Obo emu mienu a obenya videos ahwe Yahuda Quintana CSF any CSF Yahuda ewo YouTube obenya bia hwe opese wo follow me TikTok a CSF Yahuda 1982 me bacho utimi follow me support bia wo de ba me de meje meka no kora kire wo pa aboa me wo ba me mboa me ene wan no until this time say ye ma bi before ya ni ye de ya da ho. Wow, misleading people with this slave book called Bible. They have come misleading kra. Wow, and a Bible no. Wow. Bible no 7 different types of Bible. 7, 8, almost 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Quran. Wow. You have the Syrian Bible version, which is 61 books. You have the Protestant Bible verses. Let me do it like this. Wow. You have the Protestant, which is 66. And na Christopher Kito mudi yede organ kano. You have the Catholic Bible version, which is 73 books. You have the Coptic Bible, and you have 75 books. You have Charismatic Bible, and you have 76 books. You have Greek Orthodox, and you have 78. Wow. You have Ethiopic Bible, and you have 81. You have Orthodox Bible, and you have 86. And the who Christian ya wuti Ghana ha bo bon hwene. Say Bible ni ya nyame asem no. Emu baako 8 no. De wan na ya nyame asem. What the Chrome at Pentecost for so them to Church of Christ at SDA at your friend say apostolic at your so them catch and say Bible near Yamiasem Bible no the manual. Sound Bible ne Google and they were in the original manual. They were in the original manual. Se wo se Bible no ya Nyankopon anu mu asem. Bible na nipa kan a obenya osoro ahima mu akwa. Mama o different types of Bible baako 8. Eno kra de me de amenya ayo with different number. 86, 81, 66, 73, 75 and co. Enti muna Christopher amose Bible no de Bible na yehwe so de boy e bra no me pacho Bible si egugu hoyi emu de won he na wo Christo no hwe so de boy bra se 66 no e na wo de boy bra na da ache Nyankopon ka kire o se 81 na ye manumu asema me pacho waboka na wo mboka waboka because wo Christo no wo mpa adisua jimie ni nkwase asem nti wo mpa adisua obi be ka nyansa sam kire wa wo mpese wo be de wo betie e na mote wo se abrante na o kasa tie Nyankopon abrante na kasa tia Nyankopon that means wo ho odin se Nyankopon nti wo na wo ba be ko ama Nyankopon wo jimie ne wo nkwase asem wo na ho odin Nyankopon ntimi ne ntokwa wa Bible no say okoyimi ntumi nko bra be ko ma me that means wo no Nyankopon ntokwa no ntumi nko eye wo na wo ba be ko ama Nyankopon wo be fesi Yahuda Kintana ni CSF se nya ye kasa tia Nyankopon nti wo Kristoni wo patam Christian dwamambo ni kokonsa ni owudini wo bokro no wa adwumam wo na wo ba be gina mu ama Nyankopon kwase asem mu Kristo som no nyamba na ya bra boye papa eye mu Kristo som na mo de abeseye oman no mo na mo de mu Kristo som de akwa Parliament House e na mo de ibu Ghana fo mo na mo de mu Kristo som no de akwa president e na yeto abama mo a instead of no basic schools mo de beba basic hospital mo be ye kwan amaye mo be ye mpuntu djuma na ya yeto abane anya bibia ye no na mo tam sika ne se mo de kosi asoldan eye mu Kristo som no e na mo de agina mo de Bible de ye den e de say oman no enka mo jaye na na ma boso som na nko meka no kore nko oman we nka ye koyenim nkwasiafo moa a mo mpe no kore aye den atie mo beti mo de wo social media me se mo beto mo de e wo social media we aye story books different types of story books enu ni ye to aso nyame baako hwede sa nyame na ye I am telling you the Christian their God is totally confused. This is the Torah. This is the New Testament. This is the Quran. And the worst part of the story is they are telling me because I don't use my brain. They are telling me they are all from the same God. Because omususu se me jiminti. Omu say Torah no New Testament any Quran no nyina firi Nyankopon baako. Ya jiminti na ya jiatum. Nyankopon baako with different verses. Nyankopon baako aye kokoro baako with different verses. Nyankopon baako aye nyina pe ne wako. Odi Torah ma jiwfo se mo mfa mbesenko. Owie ye na odi different version de be ma New Testament e de be ma Christopher owie ye na odi Quran de be ma nkrambufo se Nyankopon baako no ntise ye koye heaven ho na ye koye heaven wa me pa acho book be na e be use dia worship Nyankopon mo se ye kwa ye be som Nyankopon mo kwa ye be to nnwoma ma Nyankopon me pa acho me bisa mo ye kodu heaven wa ye Torah ni mu na ye be hwe e de asom Nyankopon New Testament ni mu ana Quran ni mu na ye be hwe de asom Nyankopon mo mra da mo be yi ano Enje Gabriel no pie o Torah ni mu. Enje Gabriel no sahabaye. Nyame krona e the different message e the bas New Testament. And the Gabriel krona the same nyame na osan pie ya or the different version e the bread prophet Muhammad aye friend Quran. And then nipa timi ku nipa e wo buku yi ho. And then nipa timi hye ne yonku nipa e wo Bible no ho. And then nipa dasane timi twa ne yonku ti e wo Quran no ho because wo ka no kore say books na nipa ne twere. Nyankopon a mo yegidi so obo ne soro ne asase no owie ye no na nanimu asem na watwero book na nyame no so nyame no kora na twero ye kora nka wala. It was human being who invented pen and paper. It was human being who invented alphabet. So it was human being who created those so-called books which you claim to be the word of God. God has nothing doing with the Torah. God has nothing doing with the New Testament. Same as God has nothing doing with the Quran. All were invented by normal and carnal human beings. That is why we have mistakes and errors in those books. I am telling you the true fact. Either you hate me or you love me. If you love me, stay. If you hate me, you better go away. Osi, so you cry, what are you looking for? You always condemning the Bible. You have just to be careful things you say. careful about your mother or your father. I should be careful about your mother or your father. I should be careful about your mother or your father. I should be careful about your mother or your father. I should be careful about your wife, your mother, your parents, or who. Have I mentioned your parents' name? Talking about the Bible, the Quran, the New Testament, the Torah, does it concern your family? Does it concern your mother? Or it concern your father? Is God for you? Kwasiasem ni Jimmy. No wonder your name is Dog. Kwasiasem Jimmy. Say what I'm talking about the Bible, no, I should be careful because the Bible came from your mother's kitchen. Bible no every woman make kitchen, woman me boyrim. A Bible no every woman make chalk box because the Bible came from your mother's chalk box. Kwasia. No wonder they say when the wise keep silence, the fools continue dominating. When the wise keep silence, the fools continue dominating. Kwasiasem. If the Bible is the word of God, either word of God or not word of God, does it belong to your family? Does it belong to your fucking family? If you are fool, we are fool. If you are wise, we are wise. What Jimmy are you Jimmy? When you come with foolishness, we will meet you with foolishness. When you come with wisdom, we will tell you wisdom. Kwasiasem. Kwasiasem. Ni Jimmy. Don't say, so you cry. What are you looking for? You always condemning the Bible. Abua kwasia. The other Bible ne buy no buy one condemn na nka wo ye Christoni. Kwasia we Jimmy. Kobisa say when they were bringing the Bible, what did they do to our ancestors? They were telling themselves abosonsom ye kwasiasem. They were insulting your ancestors because you are illiterate, ignorant and fool. You don't know. Abua bi. Abua kwasia bi. Sa me friend abua kura mabua no. Abua kura me bua no. Kwasia sa. Ano pai kura mi po bi odinatem na wo de ho aba. Usumia ye fi won. Nkwasi asem say ya, obi sumia ye fi say ya. I think your pillow is dirty. Kwasia say I should what I'm saying. If your God is powerful, let him meet me at my junction. Kwasia, if your Jesus is powerful, I am waiting for him. According to the Bible, they say it was 12 o'clock. He met Paul on the Damascus. Now, I am meeting him. He should meet me 12 o'clock. I am at Ashama Zenu. Let him come and meet me at Ashama Zenu. Kwasia, you come and tell me, say, they are Nyame Penoye. Nyame Ashe Bibia. Abua, are you telling me, say, Nyame Ashe say, Aburofumbe and Anamon Koana? Nyame na sese bibia. Are you telling me say nyame na sese say aborofo be ye nkoa? Would please, we should all give this a very deep thinking about this. The air we breathe to survive is universal. We don't have American, European, or African air. Yes, the Creator has given us all air breathe to survive. Why is this Bible different? One nyansasem. One nyansasem. Tiama fuabo moka nyansasem no. Dr. Gaspar, mesua nyansa kakra. Inti ende Friday, usuya nyansa ka ujimie no ho. Na wonya jimie 99. Na wonya nyansa ba ako ana yedien. Ana upese ujimi 100%. Kwasia, enye mframa ba akora na yenyina ye home. Ade ntira nyankopon na obo mframa ba akoma ye nyina. Mframa na Europe fo home, mframa na German fo home, mframa na Asia fo home, mframa na Africa fo home no. Eye the same mframa. Na ye de nyame bi odi Torah akoma nkrofo bi wo bebi. Odi New Testament akoma nkrofo bi bebi. Owie na odi Quran de akoma no ho afo. Nyame krona modwen. We ube koni dem na ni sumia ye fi. Onye obi nsi ma no. Usumi ye fia na wudin kwase asem kan kwase asem sa. Akoya no pai pa. On fresh way. So me catch him say. If Jesus is good, why people struggling before survive? They will tell you Jesus came and pay for you. Why did Jesus come and pay for me? Can Jesus pay my rent? Kwasia, can Jesus pay my rent? What has Jesus done for you? What has Jesus done for you? At the end of Jesus, I am out. Tell me one thing Jesus has done to you in your life. Tell me. Adetia, if you don't go and get something doing, you go hungry, you sleep hungry. Jesus can't feed you. Jesus don't feed people. The people brought only Jesus to feed on you. They gave you Jesus to feed on you. They gave you Jesus for you to forget yourself so that they will feed you on your natural resources. So please, this is the time we have to wake up. We have to think as rational human beings and do away with these books created by human beings and think for ourselves. Let's wake up for this nation, Africa. Let's wake up as Ghanaians. Yan sole na yan dwen na hu say dabi embre bi etwamu yan nyam fa Christosum yan nyam fa nkramosum Jesus nyamba Africa no na wo nana na eme nana enim papa enim right and wrong enim good and bad na Jesus ne ba ye na ye bre. Because in the name of Jesus, now I suffer a boo. In the name of Jesus, fama nyame na politicians boo. Nyame ya adom na say yeba. The politicians will come out and say nyame ya adom na say yeba. But we don't see any nyame voting for them, if not human being. Nyame ya adom na yeba. Ba wu nipa no wankwa nkoto aba, ontimi mba. Ba umia beka kire say nyame ya adom na oba. But nipa ne beka koto aba ma no. Joma ma beka kire say nyame ya adom na oba. Na mbom nipa ne beka koto aba ma no. Da ben ena ye di ballot box asiwo na obofo nyankopon enje Gabriel abo ye fa ne se trumpet papa ye koto aba ma o ye koto aba ma Ghana no mo aba beto aba ma Ghana ye ne ye de ye to aba yue na so mo ba bo se no mo se ye no o mo ndi so na wo ba bonte na wo be kape na obi aka kire se ewiase be ye de Bible na aka se ewiase be kwa yue ya ye fa ne se be ye de e fa na Bible na aka se monto aba se Bible na aka se ewiase be kwa yue ya ye fa ne se bebi aba ye de nyoma bo aba ye de Bible na nka kire se sole kwa na okoto aba ma NDC ni MPP kwa siafu a mo mpese mo be yusu nyansa kwasiafo a mo mpese mo be yusu adwe da mutrim na matenase na ebi no atworo books ebi di Torah ebi di New Testament ebi di Quran e na ye de abeda adamu ye di books ye create tourist attraction uko Mecca boba na nipa e kohwe boba na atuaka uko Jerusalem Wailing Wall siwo uko Vatican o ma create di Jessica free munsam no mo de build o mo man nti every year bia say Mecca ye come Mecca na ye nya be 12 billion out of 12 billion na ye yimu 2 billion na ye de abese mosque amomo no mo de aka no 10 billion de asiesu o mu krom o mo ba Africa instead of ba besi companies in our zongos no mo besi mosque ayemi krom kwan na wo kwa wo be fa kro be 25 to 30 kro udru wa e dan ye fe no enye Pentecost dan a ende ye sofo dan ye we kurase wo Ghana ha uduru wo no ma e kura na ase e dan ye fe e ya sole dan apart from asole dan e sofo dan se mun jimi ya se mun nyem kwasiafo ne ajimifo a enka ye si dan e ba nipa kotram nipa mu tram wia na matoto tight ne collection na obi nipa ba ko agisika no aka kire wo se twen next week we insure abeye dem beba no Sunday back or the aginsira you find the system of leverage. They leverage on the church members. Woko Bible no John chapter 6 you see Yesu e de nam mienu ni nche na you find the brodo bro is that brodo 5 ni nche na mienu if you did nipa 5,000 and the table has 10 and your sister table no and they could do a so dem a Duncan Williams baako na nipa be 500 and the 50 cedi akọ and table na sasa obi nimu baako na nipa e the 1,000 e fa say 10 cedi akọ ende calculation na asesa ye fa ne sen upon bo ba ko na asolema be 100 2000 ende ye fa ne sen 55 cedi akọ mo ma adwinye adwuma mo se yedi mu atem na ye ndi mu atem mo gimi amaye nka me de enti a me se bible nyankopon me ndi nechi ni se oye nkwase aneoma me ndi nechi nkwase aneoma na bible nyankopon ne ye no na me se me ndi nechi nti na me nkyere wade se Kristo ni be ka kire wo se nyankopon ye ntenase a enye nyankopon na ye ntenase o eye nyame na wo colonial master de bre wo no na wo ntenase nka nyankopon de eye simple because what ho ase a what nyame ase. When you understand and know yourself, you understand God. You will know God. And the nyame ase because one te buroni nyame ase because buroni na di Christo so de brewo. We knew God before they brought Christ. They brought Jesus. We even have Christ before they told you something is called Christ. People are totally confused. Christians don't even know the difference between Jesus and Christ. Who could be sa Christo ni say so near ben that Jesus any Christ in temu a obebo na hone a kire because we Jimmy and what ya so them. The laziest part of the black man is the brain in the name of religion. The laziest part of the black man is their brain in the name of religion, Christianity and Islam, Quran, Torah and the New Testament. People cannot crack the brain. Who crack your brain? Now the ye bibi so a na ya kwa kwose ade no. Enu nie. Wow, me crack me brain no enu nie. This is what came out from it. Me trans na me chat say me crack brain. Ya ko twa ja to ma se container na asemi workshop. Kwa siafo saa. Bibinie jimiama uchiremu a wonte ase bibinie jimiama to the stand say bibinie jimi to the stand say wato ni hu kristoni wo bisa ne say nyame odi nechi no on kire nyame ni mu a no say nyame a odi nechi no onte saa nyame na ase ni jimi enti no da so te nyame ne oda so di nyame na chi se won jimi ya won jimi ade a wonte ase ye di achi kristoni mimi say se me wanyame bi na medi nechi a me make sure say saa nyame na metenase so bi bisa me bibi aba saa nyame na mekirem se wo bisa me bibi aba te nyame no na me se mentenase a na me da so di nechi a eye jibie the same thing so na wo kristoni wanya nyame bi di nechi na me bisa wo bibi aba saa nyame no na wo se wo wontenase a wo ye jimifo eye jimifo na ya ade o monte ase nti jimifo ne kwase na ebedi nyame ondini ontere saa asem no de me se wunam krom na obi ka bibi woni obi di nkomo na o ka se nyame de ye ntenase a bisane se saa nyame no osom na no nsom no so se osom saa nyame na ka kire se we jimi onim nyansa kwasia nyame korona sofo be kwa kogina so dam say the Lord is talking to me right now nyame abie mani makonhum wiase nyame ansole ma se omo nte na ase sofo ba konko atimi akote nyame na ase ode nyame na ase obekire mu akire church members so a egi society sika gitat ne collection ebu erade adwuma that means wakwa akote nyame ase obekire mu agimifo na mda to te nsole dam ho kwasiafo ena mda so titi so dem toto tight ne collection ebu ewade adwuma edu Sunday na nkwasiafo jimifo da sa akotena so dem wo se school na wo kwanka wo nwie wako school 60 years na ade a wusua wonsua nwie ya wonse wajimi se nyame asem de obi akwa so 60 years Bible from Genesis to Revelation 66 books won kinkan nwie wadwe wu amemba hawo don come here with your branded ena togbe ka kire wo no wo wadwe wu a memba ha ya ha na ye de anyansafo de na ekasa enu ni ye bola adaka wa o pese wo support enu ni ye bola adaka e bia nesu kakra na ya ye no kra ye de be sisi ye be kwa ko hu assemblyman na ya de ye de asisi ba ku bia ye 700 cedi obi a wo pese wo boa na wa ye den wa boa me number no guo muni me number dada na wo de atum na ye den ye de aboa ya ye no dade ye dade ne ye no ye no dade aha wo ba na wo de eden ya de rubber nkwa na eden ene tum ya de rubber nkwa na eden ene tum aha eno ni wow. The Bible and the Quran were created for the purpose of brainwashing people and discourage free thinking. To brainwash the black man and discourage free thinking. And to me say, God will die when people become free thinkers. God is going to die when people become free thinkers. Because it was human being who introduced God to people. It was human being who created God for people. No any God somewhere, no any sky daddy, no any spirit somewhere talk to anyone. People, it was people imagination. People, we use our brain to create God. God didn't talk to us. We are rather trying to talk to an unseen God. Me, the only God I believe is Togbe Asratete. That he is my God. The only God I know is Bobza. I don't know. And I'm too quiet. Konongu na me pebe biada o ma me dan dam ona ye me nyankopon. The only God I know is na kwena ono na me ho kire me am friend or fire me. That is the God I know. The only God I know is Tamanja apa kujo pa njo apa. These are the people I know as my God. Because they can feed me when I'm hungry. They can give me water when I'm thirsty. They can give me accommodation when I don't have a place to sleep. But they are killing in their process and the God we are talking about, that God lives in you. That God, that God, the generator, operator, and destroyer. You are God. You can generate, you can operate, you can destroy. We are the people, we operate, we generate, we operate, we destroy. Until you nipa ne start adie, nipa ne control adie, nipa ne say adie. People do good, people do bad. We are God. We are God. We are the generators. We are the operators. We are the destroyers. We can generate. We can start. We can create. We can operate what we create. Finally, we can destroy what we create. People are in Africa thinking backward. Look at China. China do in the name of technology. China do in the name of technology. By that's what your mind come friend and eradie, mawale you, or my new no, eradie, makwanto you, eradie, makwanto you, meseu, eradie be crime, a crime be eradie be mount, every crime ready be watching the admin sim. Then I do what to a good, Aja, Dinama Bible, Ni Koran, then I watch Dinama software, then I watch Dinama Malam, and a Malam near software, any a comfort, any team watching. Then who will be control Adrian, anybody control whole body. Until people will wake, unless we die. Either we will die and leave them, or they will wake and join us. Jimmy, and that's what it is solid. Now, will be the definition of government. What is government? What is government? Answer. A government is a group of people living in our country. He said, I don't want to mention him, but me, I will mention him. Until me started. A government is a group of people living in our country. Ministers, politicians, MPs, chiefs, kings, traditional leaders, religious leaders, and political leaders. Chewing fat money, buying expensive cars for themselves and their wives, sending their children abroad to study, sending their slave queens to Dubai for shopping, sending their families to India for treatment, constructing big houses in Accra and Kumasi, while the citizens are dying of chronic poverty. That is government. Government is a group of people duping people, robbing people. Anytime they will take their wives, their children to abroad for studying, they will be going to India for better treatment. They will be building big houses, mansions. They will be going to Dubai with their girlfriends by leaving the people dying in a chronic poverty. Look at what is happening in Africa, Ghana. Look at how our religious leaders and political and our traditional leaders are maltreating us. I am from far a chrono. I saw from far Solomon. Politicians and far my man. The kings and the chiefs don't care about the people in the towns. The pastors and the prophets don't care about the church members. While the political leaders, the ministers, the president and the MPs, the elite, they don't care about the citizens. But we are the same people who give them power. Without the church members, the pastor is nobody. Without the citizens, the politicians are nobody. Without the town people, the kings and the chiefs, but they don't respect us. So that is why say this is the time we have to come together. Say Dabi, say as a software and can Solomon Bran as a man penny and citizens or how more a common diomo baby no moon factories company baby a juma na come diomo to come diomo no more yala no munya baby in some yalia no was see hospital as a mom betende omunya ska no mudia kosi cathedral no mudia go to amenato so mudi besi cathedral amanyankopon nyame omunhu da ambre kura bible no say oni power uno na odo utainu onyankupa unhu na odo no nanado obi kase odo nyankupon na utaini nia oye otrofo sanyom we me request nyom yi mananado enyom we me request nyom we mananado the president of the constitution the president of Ghana sanyom we nanado e come out obi kase odo nyankupon na taini nia oye otrofo onipa uno onyankupa uno aramuto de say onipa wa uno na o taino onyankupa uno na odo no ntinanado se wo ka se odo nyankupon na ota nanado what is sika kwa kosi eden akwa kotu amena se wusinya wusi cathedral manyankupon ambre kura ye na yeto abama no hospitals ye ni best nanado ade yeah dente asumo hey fine pa dente frepon e bare microphone for na asha se ba na dente onya te dente se ipe me say IMF nka yetimi ko individual ko jibosia me ka bibia nka media nka me so makobo bosia nka me so mako IMF akobo bosia. What kind of nation are we? On my penny team people don't care about people. The citizens will vote for some people after we give them power. They don't look at you. The Chinese, the only day the politicians care about the citizens is the day of voting. After you vote for them, see we couldn't see BM. And I wouldn't use some tactics be a quine or nye quine. Bedu about to 3 months. No more was a annual, quasi annual be the abegugu quine so. You were quine be or cry quine that or cry. Some be quine room to 2 quine so be to Famwana. Nti Ghana ha ensuo to a ateche ewiagba eyemfuturu yeni ahonto. Ghana ha ensuo to a wahala ewiagba wahala. Komikulo mkwahwe kokra kwahwe. Kwahwe mfuturu kwan. Kwahwe se na kwan asai. Nso me ka kiro bayra ye din wo Ghana ha no most of the bayra efiri dambai nansan ya tese dambai pantu na ye nipa atwa no pantu na asai ema dwadifo e wo ho no e comedy on because eno na omo ye nkakra didi. By this time dambai nke se nya pantu be yetu baako wo nsuo no ha baako wo ha enti wumfiri ha na wo kɔ dambai ukoduwa na josis eji se wo dan nsuo na no ntontomba yi wa ma ade achi aden yetu aba ho ye kaga na fo ho ye ga na fo yetu aba nti ministers MPs politicians no o ma yo mo to say mate ni o tetrotrom passenger ni ogina fom se wonya ntra ne ka mu a mate ni be korokoro wa wotena kam na wonya tua kape no ano mfa ho bio mate ni korokoro wa na wotena ne ka mu pe wuti anya yi na wudi kan tua kape no na wo kasa basa politicians be korokoro wa wotu abama na pe ohia obiem because kan wotena mu ayi watua ka waje usika dada wudu bus stop na opese usikura no de wutwam wo ya na wo so nsi hospital ma no de akosi asole dan woni company wo be adwuma wo mkura no to wate sika no na sa sika no waboabo no de ahwe ne yere ne nba to abama mo na masesa mo yere ne mo manyina kodu abrochire na asofo nam ha ahemfo nam ha ahemfo no asem kura na ye me mbo wo man ye won krofo miensa so mo so mo adwen a ye ho beto ye politicians asofo ni ahemfo because e yo mo na kita nipa politicians no na kita o man no asofo na kita church members ahemfo no na kita kuro no o mu nyina kwa akose politics mu ni asole mu ohene o ye sofo ohene o ye asole pani no ye politician obaye de na wadwi nipa ho ohene o ye sofo ohene o ye politician obaye de na wadwi ni kuro ho dia to aba mo se nka mo koi mo ntoto nneoma yi ena mo dia dane politics ohene NDC ni ye nka se no mi ndu obi ndu any party join the party ba make sure say obeye bibia obenya bibi papa fikuro num party num e de abro man no but endem kwa e mabusia nkwan endem kwa mukoturu kwa mfaso na eba no o man no nya ho mfaso eye mo ni mabusia nkwan na mo dwen ho enya asema nko man we eye o man ankese say e bobosia enti endra na guy bi tu nwom o TikTok o see your classes no na your book bi aya ye kan look to yourself first for all things look to yourself for grass is greener at your feet do not say grass is greener at their feet do not go to friend cap in hand for you have all things proud for yourself use wow sa books no one so my nyina everywhere e kan yan sasem me ba jo why na be kan book no why na be kai then te wo be kai why na be kai sa book no Richmond kojo usu ube kai book no kwena ube kai book no abua panda ube kai book no bobza ube kai classes look to yourself first for all things look to yourself milk and honey flow in your land do not go to friend cap in hand but enne yena milk and honey e flow in our land no we go to China we go to Britain we go to England we go to USA to go for you know the cap kroako ye kope milk adi ye kope honey adi embre kwa milk is flowing in our land we don't want to think. The problem is we don't want to think. Musa Yakubu, West Mount, Babu and Quran are the African biggest problem. Yes. Enunye. Musa, asama wakana ya no koro. asama wakare no kore Musa kan asama wakare no kore pa no kore truth. You find the truth, the factual truth. The Bible and the Quran were created for the purpose of brainwashing people and discourage free thinking. Oma haye. Me see, mo de mon kai classes book. Look to yourself. For all things, look to yourself first. Milk and honey flow in your land. Do not go to friend cap in hand. For all things, look to yourself first. But then we go to the Europes, we go to the Western world with caps. Meanwhile, we have honey and milk in our land. And then education curriculum, no, education sector, no, almost the same bibia na bibia ye poto. And they are called an bro for some kwa. We school, we nimuji. And the people go to school without education. In Africa, we go to school, we come back with no education. In Africa, we go to school, we pay from kindergarten to university level 100 less 400. After coming back, we come back with nothing, empty-headed, only speaking big English. Asa. We go to in Africa, we go to school to learn big English, then we come back home and sleep hungry. Instead of you go school, you go to your technical aspect. Bibi to say, me ya kwa question no. Enu nie. Ame yi bi nkyerɛw. Me yi bi akyerɛw. Me ame de ma adwene me nsa na ye de ene ye. Ya soma mo ma kwa kwɔhye workshop no. Me pe sika bi foforo. Manya boafo bi obeba me sika ma bi foforo. Kubeni nkampro ana me de ye. Mi yaba ba kuni ipa mpese obedwin ba kuni mede ni nyina eba ba kuni wow enu ni o we kube na mede ye yo kube eye kube na mede ye ba kono no ba kun suni meba akaso mami nko yimbra ba ko nsuni choma mu yemfa ya adwenya adwuma kantanka asore na oya ade a mo nsoni mu hwene ma kantanka ye wo man mu Ghana pedifo so mo hu hwene ma kantanka eye wo man mu Ghana mpenifo si dabi mu dia kantanka ye no yetete Ghana one day kantanka ofiri asase so a ubenwe yi a yebeye wo man na me bana me di manima bana ma beka asem a kire Ghana fo meka asem bia kire Ghana fo sesi a me beka asem bia kire Ghana fo me beka asem bia kire Ghana fo se kantanka te wona yebebo ne hu dewuru na yembo ne hu dewuru no eda kantanka bewu enu ni we yemia na me ye why we yemia na me ye we me di mpampuro ena me de ye de ena me de ye ena da hon ena da hon mi wi infriso kantanka ewo Ghana hana oye nioma no yemboa kantanka na mi sisu biem TV stations na mudim kwase asem kwase shows anioma nim faso na muyi mu TV station na muntimi promote kantanka eda kantanka bewu TV station biara ube advertise kantanka ni funu ube advertise kantanka ni wo ube twa kantanka ni wo no Ghana nsuo nkum agrada abe shimu TV station no TV station bia kantanka tiase na wuntimi mfa u TV station promote kantanka entimi yini cast ne nyuma papa oye e da safo kantanka beda onsole na wo twa na mukọ wo de camera kotwa na wo de betu TV station agrada be hyew TV station wonum Ghana nsu a wo bewu na mo adwemfi adwembɔ wo mutim Ghana TV station Ghana media misi so biem media bi a wo TV station wo radio station na wontimi mfa mbo kantanka ho deguru entimi nka dia kantanka enioma papa kantanka ya ma Ghana fo na mo mbo ne ho deguru se Ghana aban mboa no eda kantanka beda obeda na yati se wagu no saada no wo de wo camera ekotwa kantanka edi ni funu edi beto kantanka ye wo kotwa na wo de beto TV station a me stress agrada ense wo TV station Ghana nsuo wunum a wo yafunu nse wo fo ka accident nku na mo ye nipa boni fo Ghana fo mo ni suban mo mpa de papa nka kantanka ye obi a yeto na jeje enya asema nka efia suasine Ghana no baya te se medie etimi betena ho edi kantanka atem se nyo ma se yenye nkwasiafo se jimifo ndoso wo man ni mu a nka efia suasine Ghana no te se medie etimi bedi papa kantanka atem na Ghana fo ayedin because ye Jimmy en America no TV station ya wontimi promote kantanka wontimi mbo kantanka ho dewuro wontimi nye kantanka advert emma wiasi eda kantanka beda won sole na wo kotwa na wo beye advert wo betwa ni funu edito a me se agrada eja beto TV station no light be se TV station no wo be bo from won sole biom da wo ye mambo for too much Ghana media ka ho na ye bre Ghana media mpe no korrect politicians atoto media houses eno mugugu su dim kwase asem media house bi te say ye ntumi TV ye miwunya nsani ba ko bia wo agimifo ne nkwasiafo nko a kwase bia miwunu na nsan kura ye friend say lawyer ampa o se wosra yo se pokle o se alata se mi na o sa papa ni de ni jimie de sa lawyer ampa no miwu de o man lawyer certificate miwu lawyer school okoye Nansai ma unso na madum chedua solidem edidi nkwase asem because o ma unso adum chedua kita members nti MPP fu asuma ne so nko ho onko fa kwan bi so na ye mfa nko anamu fi se mu play games na ye hu se game na mu play and the politicians ne asofo na join force na mu ku o man no and the politicians ne asofo na join force na mu bu o man no politicians are same system no na so for anya sa opportunity no e di bu members because o man ni munye enti ni ba yale oni hospital fee oni hospital sika o man ni munye ni ba wie school a onye adwuma nye system ni nye politicians na ba o mbebi adwuma ma wie school a wonya bi aye enti wo ba wie school a na obetena fie na ato no mpaibo so okobo mpai so obenya adwuma na so for ache na aga no agye ne ho sika nyina awe no lalu religion ti adwen papa bi ani bibi ni trim Kristo sumunti Kristo nti adwen papa bi anya den eni Kristo ni trim mo jaye ma yeso ya aboso no kona nka be boaye meba me tafre me to fiança wan me wiane atoa so mon join video yi baby ami ye djuma no yakwa akotwa gya tumo ya hye ho meba a video na ko shen don't forget me who could no problem. My main fan image in the mirror. me ye na ma ponsesi a ba wonya follow you wa wonya follow you pese wo follow na follow me why o pese wo follow me and follow me no TikTok CSF Yahuda no YouTube CSF Yahuda ana Yahuda Kentana CSF emu mi no de obebo bia obenya me adwimfi ni adwembo ne nkwa adwimfi ene adwembo ne nkwa na yede ti o man enya adwimfi ni adwembo ne nkwa me shop ni bebi ame ye adwuma ni nipa desani akwa hyewo because me se o ma na adwenye adwuma no nja asofo sika a wode koma asofo no enu nti sofo abo ne pass o mbeye den o mbehye store we yenye Kristo ni na ye ya yenkrambo ni na ye we yenye Kristo ni na ye sa yenkrambo ni na ye because o me se o Bible ni o mo Quran emfiri nyankopon bia nti ade o mbeye kombede ni o mbeye me e kombede me e kombede me manyo obi no kita adwen wi e wo mo man na obi timi dia na adwen sei eye bibi wo man ni mu a because ono no se mo ma adwen ye adwuma we so ma muti munti esese mo ye den mo hye na store adwen we wu kita bi wo Jesus kura nya sa adwen we adwen a media ye kube ene na ntwe abeben caps ene mpampura abeben pampuro caps wo Jesus na wudi na eti kura Luke chapter 2 verse 40 yesi nyansa ahye ka wo Jesus kura wanya nyansa sa nyansa we sa adwi we yamba Jesus trim adwi ba Yesu trim se obeda ni nsuo nsa ma manfo anu abo mom pe no kure mom pe no kure eya mo pese no kure ba Jesus nipa ni bo coat e bo tie nipa ni papa ye MP nipa ni papa wo scan sa matie no kure amotin so ni dem na ye dem adani koko fo na asofo edidi wo mo ho ende akwankyere we ba na akwankyere we aba ende mpaibo we ye kwa mo na mantwa mountains ende na maburi mountains ende na munwurem bush nyame betie mu mpaiba dise mu kopie nwurem ansa nyame opese obuwa nipa no dise mu kopie nwurem ansa ko gina nwurem kekamu mo ma ekomde mu ansa nyame atie mu mpaibo na me se ma wa adwinya nyame bia ni wo be ye sa ade no obi ti UK, obi ti Dubai, obi ti Canada, obi ti Germany, obi ti China. Ommo mpa ye ntire obi a na bra boy kama. Oyusu na dwen. Wo ba Ghana na wo chase se wo yusu wa dwen pe na kwase bia kwa akoye den akɔhye workshop. Ebe den no man akonkan. China enya mpa ibo no mo de kire man. Dubai na wo bo asika no Kristo ni bo asika na adwane afi o man ma ko Dubai. Dubai wono enya mpa ibo no mo de kire Dubai. Woti aso da mu a wo bɔ mpa ye se wo pe visa akɔ Canada wo pe visa akɔ US wo pe visa akɔ Germany no enye mpa ibo na o mo de kire wo o mo de adwumaden adwen skills vocational techniques experience and o mo de kire Dubai sa adwumaden adwen skills vocational no na ebi ye implement wo Ghana ha no mo sole a na mo sa akɔ sei ho adan ti na mutimu ye den sa adentina Kristo sumunti adwinfi woni patim saa adentina nyame binti adwinfi adwembone e woni patim saa mona mo se manya nyame a mudi nyame achi a na mo nyame ye kronkron mo nhwe mabrabo mo nhwe abrabo a mo bo wo manum mona mo se manya nyame a mudi ne chi akoye fe no hwe abrabo funi abrabo kanka mo de ti o manum Omaya yetimu ye ratio na ebe rate a adebonefo e wo man mu no e religious people. Omo mama o man ni ye den ebre because ukoye parliament me nka jaika e nkrambofo na akisofo na ti parliament house wo. But we don't see the impact of their religion in reality. We don't see religion of peace, religion of love. We don't see. Christianity is the religion of love. Islam is the religion of peace. We don't see it. In reality, we don't have love, we don't have peace. ye wo pizza nka ye mboa sika no ntutu susu 3 years enwade nkɔhye UK ansa ye ho atoye ye wo asomdwe a nka ye mboa sika no emfa ye sere so enkɔ ye fa ne sɛn Dubai ye wo pizza ye nante ye sere so enkɔ ye fa ne sɛn Gaddafi krom Libya abi before Ghana for the biane dani da ye na mesere so ebi nam boat so ebi nam nsuo so ye nam da biya ji se ye dwade fi ye kuro mu ansa ye wato ye adan nti nka mo na mwanya nyamesom a nyamesom no asomdwe wom na odo wom no na nka mo da asomdwe ni odo na di na nka ye hu se ampa esom na mutim no ye hu impact ye hu odo impact ye hu asomdwe impact. But one amanya nyamesoma mo so odo wom asomdwe wom no we don't see any peace and love. Christianity is love, Islam is peace and love, but we rather see war and hateness. Christianity has developed hateness in Africa while Islam has developed war in Africa. Hatred and me brane kan hatred and am kan say me dem fa me ho hatred. Instead of love, we are now see hatred. Instead of peace, we now see war. If there is peace, we won't run from our hometown to other countries for peace. Ghana ni wa sumdwe or Germany and won ton say so Ghana. Sabe boaka. Ghana ni o Canada, ne won ton say obi o Ghana, me boaka. Ghana ni o USA, ne won ton say obi o Ghana, me boaka. Ghana ni o Dubai, ne won ton say obi o Ghana, me boaka. Ghana ni owo Germany ye kire odo e wo sin Ghana. Ghana ni owo Canada broni kire na odo sin obi owo Ghana. Aden mo nso mo na mo se mwanya nyamesom a ebi ye peace ebi ye asomdwe a Islam ye peace Christosum nso ye fa ne say Islam ye asomdwe peace e na Christosum ye love odo but ni nyina ade na dane nti ade nti na mo ndam so mo na di so ban papa wo mo nda na di na ye ho ntoyen na ye nya asomdwe na ye hu no odo. Until no wonder when they want to lead their people, they will come out with these two books. These two books. When they want to lead you, they swear from these two books. The Bible and the Quran. No wonder when they want to lead you, they swear in the name of the Bible and the Quran. Look at what is happening. I'm saying for BBNC, Makramo. Oh, person who follow up. Facebook Yahuda bin Yesi and Yahuda Quintana CSF either Yahuda bin Yesi or Yahuda Quintana CSF. YouTube also Yahuda Quintana CSF and a CSF Yahuda who follow obey them obenyame me no bibiase makramo me shop no yakoshi shop no wa opese wo bo ame no me number no go wo send am nsa beka makra kro bibia bye bye. Hey today give me tough.